This is of course Louis Vuitton, and it is a Tivoli, size GM, and it is just a beautiful everyday tote bag. It really is gorgeous. So it's in the obviously beautiful monogram coated canvas with these beautiful, really nice soft leather double top handles. The vachetta on the bag has changed and deepened this beautiful dark colour, which is why I like to buy pre-owned Louis Vuitton. I prefer this colourway, I think it looks much nicer. It's brilliant because these top handles are actually adjustable, so you could have them shorter or longer if you wanted to. It's on the medium setting, so this is what it looks like medium. I am about 5'4" and I'm a UK 8'10", so you can sort of see the size. It does come with Louis Vuitton dust bag. So you've got, let's see, I don't know if the Louis Vuitton will show now, but it's on the studs. The Louis Vuitton won't actually show up, I don't think. I'm going to show you the base. 5 studs on the base. Zip top closure. The zip pull is obviously got the little LV tag. So inside, lovely big space. All right. 2 flat pockets there, 1 flat pocket there. It does also have the key ring as well. The date code is inside this pocket here. I think that's upside down. Okay. Alright. Condition wise, we've called it good throughout. So good exterior, good interior, good hardware. No real issues, just signs that it's been used. So for example, you can see the mark there where the buckles have been. The corners just have some little signs of wear on the corner of the piping. And again, the inside, there's no real issues. There's a sort of paler mark here, which won't even show, maybe it's going to show, just there. Not really showing. Not a mark as such, just signs it's been used. It's got that throughout, but it is in good condition. It's a beautiful, beautiful Louis Vuitton Tivoli. It's a really good size. I mean, it really is an everyday tote to put everything in. There is a link to this. If you go to the comments below, the link will take you to this on the website, and whilst you're on the website, sign up for the newsletter, because then we'll send you a 10% discount code so that you can get 10% off your first purchase. Also, there's a link below so that you can follow us on Instagram. And of course, if you like our bag videos, then please give us a thumbs up.